Looking for the best faucet water filter for your kitchen? We compared 5 of the most popular options to see which one offers the best filtration, easiest installation, and the best value for your money. Stay until the end because our number 1 pick outperformed the rest in one area that really matters. If you're new here, hit subscribe for honest home and kitchen reviews every week. Here's a quick preview. At number 5 is the Waterdrop FC06, a simple and affordable stainless steel option. Number 4 is an upgraded Waterdrop model with a few extra conveniences. Number 3 is the WINGSOL stainless steel faucet filter with NSF certified filtration. Number 2 is the popular Brita faucet mount filter. And taking the top spot is the PUR Plus vertical faucet filtration system. Now, let's jump into number 5. Starting off at number 5, we have the Waterdrop FC06 water filter for sink faucets. This model is a good choice if you want cleaner tasting water without spending a lot. It features a compact stainless steel housing with a 360-degree rotating outlet, making it easy to rinse dishes, wash fruits, or fill larger containers. The built-in filtration media is designed to reduce chlorine, rust, sediment, and other common impurities that can affect the taste and smell of tap water. One thing that stands out is how easy it is to install. Most standard faucets can be fitted in just a few minutes using the included adapters, so even first-time users shouldn't have much trouble. We also like the solid stainless steel construction, which feels sturdier than many budget plastic filters and adds a more premium look to the kitchen. On the downside, this filter focuses mainly on improving taste and reducing common impurities, so it doesn't offer the advanced contaminant reduction you'll find on some higher-end certified systems. If your goal is better everyday drinking water at an affordable price, it's a solid option for small households, apartments, or anyone trying a faucet filter for the first time. But if you want stronger filtration with trusted certifications, the next model is definitely worth a look. Coming in at number 4 is another version of the Waterdrop FC06. And while it looks similar at first glance, it offers a more refined experience for everyday use. The durable stainless steel body gives it a solid feel, and the compact design blends in nicely without making your faucet look bulky. Like the previous model, it features a 360-degree swivel outlet, making it more convenient when you're rinsing vegetables, cleaning dishes, or filling larger bottles. Its multi-stage filtration system helps reduce chlorine, sediment, rust, and unpleasant odors, giving tap water a noticeably cleaner taste. What makes this version stand out is its smoother water flow and more user-friendly design, making daily use feel a little more effortless. Installation is quick, and the package includes multiple adapters to fit a wide range of standard faucets. You won't need special tools, and replacing the filter cartridge is simple enough for most people to do in just a few minutes. The only drawback is that, like many entry-level faucet filters, it isn't designed to target every advanced contaminant. If certified contaminant reduction is your top priority, you'll want to consider the next few options on this list. Overall, this is a great choice for families who want a durable faucet filter with reliable everyday performance while staying within a reasonable budget. Now, if you're looking for something built with stronger filtration standards and a more premium metal construction, number 3 raises the bar. At number 3, we have the WINGSOL stainless steel faucet water filter. This model immediately stands out thanks to its full stainless steel construction, which feels much more durable than the plastic housings found on many competing filters. It's designed to fit most standard faucets and includes several adapters for a hassle-free installation. Where this filter really earns its place is its NSF-certified filtration system. Instead of simply improving taste, it has been independently tested to reduce common contaminants while maintaining a steady water flow. That extra certification can provide added confidence if water quality is an important concern in your area. We also like its compact design and leak-resistant connection, making it a dependable option for everyday kitchen use. The sturdy metal finish not only looks more premium but is also better suited for long-term use compared to lightweight plastic alternatives. One thing to keep in mind is that replacement cartridges may cost a little more than basic faucet filters, so ongoing maintenance can be slightly higher over time. If you want a faucet filter that combines durable construction with trusted filtration performance, the WINGSOL is a strong mid-range choice that's well worth considering. But our top 2 picks offer features that make everyday use even more convenient, starting with one of the most trusted names in home water filtration. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Brita faucet mount water filter. If you've looked into faucet filters before, there's a good chance you've already come across the Brita name. This model has built a solid reputation by combining reliable filtration with a design that's easy for almost anyone to use. The filter attaches directly to most standard faucets and includes a simple switch that lets you choose between filtered and unfiltered water. That's a practical feature because it helps extend the life of the filter by using filtered water only when you actually need it for drinking or cooking. Brita's filtration system is designed to reduce chlorine taste and odor while also helping lower contaminants such as lead, depending on the certified claims for the filter. The result is cleaner tasting water without slowing your daily routine. Filter replacement is straightforward, and the built-in electronic indicator lets you know when it's time for a new cartridge, so there's no guessing. The biggest advantage is its simplicity. Everything from installation to everyday operation feels intuitive, making it an excellent option for busy households. The only downside is that the plastic housing doesn't feel as premium as the stainless steel models we covered earlier. While it's perfectly functional, it doesn't have the same heavy-duty feel. If convenience, trusted performance, and easy maintenance are your top priorities, Brita remains one of the safest choices for most families. But our number one pick goes a step further by combining excellent filtration, user-friendly features, and outstanding overall value. Claiming the top spot is the PUR Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Filtration System. This is the model we'd recommend to most people because it offers one of the best overall combinations of certified filtration, everyday convenience, and long-term value. The compact vertical design saves space around the sink while giving the unit a clean, modern appearance. Installation takes only a few minutes, and once it's in place, switching between filtered and regular tap water is quick and effortless. What really separates the PUR Plus from many competitors is its certified filtration performance. It's designed to reduce a wide range of contaminants, including lead and chlorine, while still maintaining a smooth, consistent flow for drinking, cooking, and preparing beverages. That means you're getting water that not only tastes better but also meets higher filtration standards backed by independent certifications. Another feature we really appreciate is the built-in filter life indicator. Instead of trying to remember when the cartridge should be replaced, the system lets you know when it's time, making maintenance much easier. No product is perfect, though. Replacement filters typically cost a little more than basic faucet filter cartridges, but considering the filtration quality and overall performance, we think the added cost is justified. If you're looking for one faucet water filter that delivers the best balance of performance, convenience, and peace of mind, the PUR Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Filtration System is our top recommendation. You'll find links to all 5 faucet water filters in the description below if you'd like to check today's prices or learn more about each model. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Budget Home and Kitchen for more honest product reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.